Welcome back, Below the Atmosphere fam. Buckle up because today we're diving into a topic that's as jaw-dropping as it is urgent. A ticking time bomb beneath the Pacific Ocean that could unleash a mega-tsunami along the U.S. West Coast. I'm your host, Antonio, and this episode is all about the Cascadia Subduction Zone, a geological beast that's been sleeping for over 300 years, but could wake up with catastrophic consequences. From Northern California to Washington, we're unpacking the science, the stakes, and what you need to know to stay safe. Let's get into it. Picture this, a massive fault line stretching over 600 miles from Northern California up to British Columbia. That's the Cascadia Subduction Zone, or CSZ for short. A geological monster where one tectonic plate is grinding under another, storing up energy like a coiled spring. Scientists are sounding the alarm because this fault hasn't budged in over 3 centuries. The last time it did, a colossal quake in 1700 that sent a tsunami racing across the Pacific, leaving traces as far away as Japan. Here's the kicker. New research says there's a 15% chance of a magnitude 8.0 or higher earthquake hitting this zone in the next 50 years. That's not sci-fi, it's science fact. And when this fault finally snaps, it could unleash a mega-tsunami with waves towering up to 1,000 feet high. That's taller than the Eiffel Tower, folks. Coastal communities in Oregon, Washington, and Northern California would face devastation unlike anything we've seen in modern times. So what happens if the CSZ lets loose? First, the earthquake itself would be a monster, shaking the ground for minutes, toppling buildings, and cutting off power and roads. But the real terror comes next. A tsunami that could hit the coast within minutes. We're talking walls of water flooding towns, wiping out infrastructure, and leaving little time to escape. And it gets worse. The quake could cause coastal areas to sink by up to 6.5 feet in seconds, turning streets into rivers and making recovery a nightmare. Imagine trying to rebuild when the land itself has dropped into the sea. Rising sea levels from climate change only amplify this threat, making floods deeper and damage more severe. This isn't just a wake-up call. It's a blaring alarm for anyone living near the coast. Now, I know this sounds intense, but here's the good news. We're not helpless. Scientists are urging everyone in Cascadia's danger zone to get prepared now. Step 1, know your evacuation routes. If you're on the coast, find the nearest high ground and practice getting there fast. Step 2, build an emergency kit, water, food, first aid, and a plan to stay safe for days. Step 3, push for stronger infrastructure. From retrofitting buildings to designing tsunami-resistant bridges, communities can fight back with resilience. Experts are also monitoring the CSZ like hawks, using cutting-edge tech to track every rumble and shift. But the truth is, we can't predict when this will happen, just that it will. So let's take this seriously and get ready together. That's it for this episode of Below the Atmosphere. The Cascadia Subduction Zone is a reminder that nature's power is real, but so is our ability to prepare and protect. To my West Coast fans, check your local emergency plans, talk to your family, and stay informed. Share this episode with anyone who needs to hear it, and let's keep the conversation going in the comments below. What's your plan if the big one hits? Hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more science that hits hard. Until next time, stay curious and stay safe.